Good morning everyone, and welcome to a new vlog. Today is July 3rd and it's Monday, so it's both the start of a new month and the start of a new week. So today I'm going to prepare content and to-dos for the week and also for the month. And today is also the first day I'm going to go back to my full-time job. I'm gonna have my breakfast now and then I'm gonna start working as a programmer at 9 a.m. And here it is, my super quick breakfast. It's cereal bread with almond butter, apricot jam, and a ton of blueberries on it.
Oh, find your exit routes. Let's keep it orderly. Come on.
Literally, I caused the fire alarm to happen.
Okay, I know exactly what you were feeling. Some of them died in the process.
What Singularity's doing is wildly...
June's sticker awards for the goodie bags just arrived and I thought I'd open them with you. They are both glossy stickers. This is the first one. It's a bottle with a door in it because doors and portals was June's topic for the monthly practice. And the other one, I think it's my favorite one. It's a turnip house. They came out amazing. So these are the two sticker awards for June. And this is the print. I think I'm gonna pack them now. Good morning everyone. It's Thursday today. It's July 6th and I finished packing all the goodie bags and I have shipped them out a couple days ago. I still need to do a couple things for this week. I'm gonna go away for the weekend, so I'm gonna have to do everything within today, but it's not much. I'm just gonna have to work a little bit on the goodie bags for July's rewards. Let me show you where I've gotten so far. This is one of the sticker designs. I have designed a color palette for it and I'm currently in the rendering phase. And this is going to be the second sticker design that I would really love to color traditionally, but I'm gonna see if I can find the time. And finally, this is the print design. It's a short story this time. My plan for this is to make the first like black and white because he's alone. The second part a little bit grayish because a hand is touching his shoulder, and the third part fully in color. Hello. This is my rendering so far. I still need to render part of the face, like the eyes mostly, and her hands for sure, and parts of her jacket, but I'm almost there. So this was the palette before, and this is with the rendering. You can see that it's much clean and neat and with clear edges and details on top. Like here, for example, you can clearly see the difference.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay, take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile. What is it that you do?
Hey guys, it's been a while. I've been MIA for I think a week. Today is July 17th. I've just finished writing down the newsletter for my patrons, which I do every Monday. And now I have to finish writing down the notes for this month's tutorial that will be about designing cartoony props. I want to finish writing down the notes within tomorrow and then starting filming maybe tomorrow or on Wednesday at most. And then I'm gonna edit the video and post it hopefully within the end of the week on my Patreon for my watermelons and my blueberry steers. Apart from that, I'm also working on the goodie bags still. I finished designing one of the 2 stickers, which is this one. And I am currently rendering the print design, and I finished designing a color palette for the other sticker design because I always do 2 stickers and 1 print. Look who's there. Hi! I just had my breakfast and now I'm about to start recording this month's tutorial for my Patreon. These are all my notes for it and I like to keep them here while I record here so I know what to say all the time. I've also just made myself some iced coffee with orzo, though not coffee because I hate it.
Follow me out down to the bay. Forget all the worries when you're with me. Let every wave gently kiss away some of the hardness from those brief yet gloomy days. Ooh.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday. It's a new week. I have been filming this vlog for I think 3 weeks because I haven't really had the time to film every day like I wanted to. It's gonna be a little bit all over the place, I think, but let's hope I have enough footage for the whole vlog. My plan for the day is to prepare a reel summarizing the video tutorial that I have just uploaded on my Patreon so that I can share it over onto my Instagram account and all my Instagram followers can have a little preview of the tutorial. Okay, I've prepared a reel and already sent it over to my phone. So now I just need to design a thumbnail for it. This is where I've gotten so far with the print. Backgrounds are all finished and I need to work a little bit more on the characters and just hide some more sketch lines and add some rendering. So this is a story about friendship, and this piece is going to be called Stand By Me, thanks to a sweet patron that came up with the beautiful name for this print. I can never come up with names for my illustrations. It's literally the hardest part for me, naming my artworks. This is the final result, guys. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Hello guys, it's a new day. It's Tuesday today. I finished working on the printer word for the goodie bags this month, and I'm currently exporting a layered file for my patrons. So this is it for this vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching as always, and a big thank you to my patrons for supporting me. Moka says hi too. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys!